Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Wordscapes application. If you want to update and get the latest release for Wordscapes, then here's how you can do it. Open your App Store or your Play Store and in the search box, search for Wordscapes. Once you find the application in the search result, tap on it to get inside the app. Now, if there is an update available yet to download for your mobile device, you'll be able to see an update button in this page. If you see an open button, it means that your application is already updated. But if you see the update button, tap on it to get the latest release for Wordscape. Once you install your update for the app, you can go ahead and get started with the newly updated version of Wordscapes, which comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement. That is how you can easily update Wordscapes application using your mobile device. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.